In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Adobe Sign agreement. Whether you've made an accidental request or the agreement is no longer needed, we'll walk you through the process smoothly so that you can handle this with ease. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to access a web browser. Open Adobe Sign by entering the website address into your browser's address bar. It's important to ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once you're on the Adobe Sign homepage, look for the Login option, typically located in the upper right corner, and click on it. Enter your credentials carefully to log in, making sure your details are correct to avoid any login issues. After logging in, the next step is to navigate to the Manage page. This is where Adobe Sign lists all your agreements. This page is like a central hub for all your document transactions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section, as it will help you keep track of all your ongoing agreements in the future too. Once you're in the Manage section, it's time to locate the specific agreement you wish to cancel. Browse through the list and identify the document you no longer need. Take your time to ensure you've got the correct agreement, especially if you manage multiple documents, as canceling the wrong one could have unintended consequences. When you've found the right agreement, click on it to open up additional options. Here, you're looking for the Cancel option, which is typically situated in the right rail or under the Actions menu. The design might vary slightly depending on your version, but it should be prominently displayed. Upon selecting Cancel, you will be prompted to provide a reason for canceling the agreement. This step is particularly useful for maintaining accurate records and providing context for the cancellation, should you need to refer back to this decision in the future. You will also see an option to notify all participants of the cancellation. This is a handy feature, especially if the agreement involved multiple signatories. While this step is optional, it's a good practice to keep all parties informed, ensuring clear communication and avoiding any misunderstandings. Finally, proceed by selecting the Cancel Agreement option. Clicking this will finalize the cancellation process, moving your agreement immediately to the canceled status. You've now successfully canceled an Adobe Sign agreement, and you're all set. And there you have it. With these steps, you can confidently cancel any Adobe Sign agreement whenever necessary. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to explore more of our video tutorials for additional assistance with your digital document needs.